If you are planning to apply for GKS Graduate 2022 this year, and if you are worried that how to fill academic transcript or grade section, which is section number 8 in the application forms, then this video is for you. So let's start. Hello viewers, I am Amar Dilavar, and in this video we will discuss that how can you fill the academic grades or transcript section, which is section number 8 on the application forms. As you know that many GPA scales or percentage scales, they are used around the world, so it is very difficult for students to fill this section. That's why I have decided to make this video specially on this topic. So before the start of this video, I would like to request you please subscribe to my channel and like this video. There is a very minor change in the academic transcript or grade section this year. Previously, if you are applying for a PhD degree, you have to mention your bachelor's degree grades and master degree grades. But this year, if you are applying for a PhD degree, you only have to mention your master's degree grades. But if you are applying for master's degree, then you have only one previous degree, which is bachelor's. So you must have to write your bachelor's degree grade. So this is a very minor change for this year's application forms. Now I will guide you that how can you fill this section by giving some examples of different countries. So let's move towards computer screen. So this is the academic transcripts and grades section, and I will tell you that how can I fill this section. For example, I am applying for a PhD degree from Pakistan, and in our country the CGPA scale is out of 4. So in first section where there is written cumulative GPA, or which is known as CGPA. So cumulative CGPA means your average CGPA of all the semesters. For example, in masters in Pakistan there are 4 semesters. So my average CGPA of 4 semesters is 3.88 out of 4. So in CGPA section I have to write 3.88 out of 4. Then there is score percentile. To fill this score percentile, I have to check the GPA conversion table, which you can see on the screen. So in this table you see that out of 4 scale, if my CGPA is 3.88, so my score percentile is 98. So I have to write here my score percentile, and in the column below where you have to write your GPA, here you have to write for individual semester. For example, in first year, in first semester my CGPA is 3.90 out of 4. In second semester it is 3.95 out of 4. In second year it is 3.88, and in second year 2, which is fourth semester, it is 3.98 out of 4. So as in Pakistan for masters there are only 2 years, so I have to leave third year and fourth year empty. So this is the simplest method that how can you write your CGPA out of 4 scale. So you can use the same method for 4 scale, 4.3 scale, 4.5 scale or 5 scale according to your country. Now I will guide you that how can you write your CGPA out of 100 scale. So in most of the countries 100 scale is not CGPA scale, it is percentage scale. So if in your country or in your university they use 100 scale, so in CGPA first column you have to write your percentage. For example, if the average of your all semesters percentage is 85, so in first section you have to write 85%. Then in score percentile you don't need to convert the percentage into score percentile using GPA conversion table. You have to write same 85 in the score percentile column also. Then in the column below you have to write your percentage for individual semester or individual year. And if you don't have percentage for individual year or individual semester, then you can leave this table empty. So this is the easiest method that how can you write your CGPA and percentage, and how can you convert your CGPA to score percentile if your percentage is out of 4 grade, 4.3, 4.5 or 5 grade, or it is mentioned in percentage. Now the main problem is that there are some countries or there are some universities which don't have these scales. They have their own scales. For example, they have their 10 scale, they have their 20 scale, 25 scale, or in some countries like Philippines they have their 1 scale or their rating system, like 1 rating system, 2 rating system, 3 rating system. So what is the solution to those candidates? So those candidates who don't have the CGPA system as mentioned in the GKS guidelines or in the GKS application forms, then you have to make your own conversions. or you can write your percentage or CGPA as it is mentioned on your academic transcript. Then you have to submit one letter from your university that what does your academic transcript or grade mean and how can you convert your academic grades to the GKS grades. So that letter you can get from your university and submit with your application form. I hope that now you can easily fill this academic transcripts and grades section. So if you have any question regarding this video, please leave in the comment section. See you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.